Hi guys, how's it going? Just a little job here today. I'm Scottish in case you didn't know, and we are very well renowned for being pretty tight. We don't like spending money. So the job I've got today is the old windscreen washer pump of my Hilux. Now it's a pretty inexpensive piece of kit, probably pick them up on eBay for about 20 quid, but 20 quid's 20 quid, can be used elsewhere. A lot of people just bin these things. To be fair, some of them are sealed units, but this one here of the Hilux, it does actually come apart. And my Hilux has been off the road for probably 6 months or so, and it's just basically just seized up since then. So what I'm going to show you is that these things do actually come apart, and they can be rejuvenated. So sorry, the light's not very good in here. I'll try and set this camera down so you can see me. So this is a bit of kit here, as I say. If you look carefully, you will see there's a little lug here. There's an obvious one there, and there's one on the other side. So without any real fancy tools or anything, just get a screwdriver. You pop these, get a smaller screwdriver for that one, and lo and behold, the thing comes apart. So all you do is pop the motor out. As you can see, there's been a bit of water got in there, and it's gotten itself corroded. So I've actually done this already, but on hindsight I thought it'd be good to show you. This the shaft, you can feel it's loose now because I have fixed it, but it was seized up. So pair of pliers on it, give it a wee bit of a spin, spray some WD-40 into the motor. There are some holes in the end of the motor so you can see into it, so get some WD-40 in there, give it a good slush around. Again, just manipulate the shaft, give it a good spin. I've got a couple of test wires hooked up to a car battery, so I just hooked it up, and away it went. So stick it back together again. As I say, very easy job. Pop it back together, and away you go. Just make sure you get it all properly put back together again. You don't want it to fall apart. That's it, snap back together, and Bob's your uncle. Saved myself 20 quid. Have a go. I tend not to throw things away straight away. I'll always have a go and see if it can be fixed. As I say, 20 quid. It's not a lot of money, but it's better in my pocket than some seller on eBay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.